Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make collard greens Southern style. First, choose the freshest, darkest green collard greens you can find, ensuring the leaves are firm and vibrant. Next, it is crucial to wash them very thoroughly under cold running water to remove any hidden dirt or sand. Then, carefully remove the tough central stems from each leaf. Finally, stack the leaves and chop them into 1-inch to 2-inch wide pieces, preparing them for cooking. This initial preparation is key to a delicious dish. The heart of Southern collard greens lies in the pot liquor. Begin by rendering about 1/2 pound of smoked ham hocks or thick-cut bacon in a large pot until crispy and the fat is released. Remove the meat, leaving the flavorful drippings. Then, add 1 large chopped onion and 2 cloves of minced garlic to the pot, sautéing them until they are soft and fragrant. Finally, pour in 6 cups of chicken or vegetable broth, bringing this foundational liquid to a gentle simmer. This step builds incredible depth. Now it is time to add the star of our dish. Carefully place all of your prepared collard greens into the simmering pot liquor, pressing them down gently to ensure they are fully submerged in the flavorful liquid. Season generously with about 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper, and a small pinch of red pepper flakes for a subtle kick. Cover the pot and let the greens simmer gently for at least 1 hour or even longer, until they are incredibly tender. Patience here is rewarded. As your collard greens finish cooking, taste them and adjust the seasonings as needed. Many Southern cooks like to add a splash, about 1 to 2 tablespoons, of apple cider vinegar at this stage for a bright, tangy counterpoint to the richness. The greens should be wonderfully tender, almost melting in your mouth, and the pot liquor should be deeply flavorful and savory. Serve these delicious greens hot, traditionally alongside a piece of warm cornbread, perfect for soaking up every last drop of that incredible pot liquor. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.